I don't want to make mistakes.
It's a new morning in Choo Choo Town. Oh, look, it's Diesel.
Diesel!
Oh?
Good morning.
Good morning, Titipo. Where are you off to?
Me? To the course to practice.
Yeah, you need a lot of practice. I heard you made many mistakes in your first route.
Yeah, but every rookie makes mistakes in the beginning.
Not this one. I didn't make any mistakes.
Really? You were good from the start?
Of course. My first route was textbook perfect. It went like this. There. I'm ready to go.
Oh, you're here! The Wonder Train! Diesel!
Yeah, reporting for duty, Mr. Herb.
Now, since this is your first route, I'll give you detailed directions to help you.
Wait!
Oh?
There's no need. I already memorized it.
Amazing! You're the best!
Well then, I must be off. Move out!
Go, Diesel, go! The future of Choo Choo Town is in your hands!
With a long line of freight cars behind me, I headed to the harbor. Hello?
You must be the famous rookie Diesel. Afraid there's a lot to haul today.
Not to worry, I can handle it.
Wow, I guess the rumors were right. Let's load. A 1, a 2, a 3. You're all set.
I'm off. I'll see you next time.
Bye. Safe travels.
Let's go!
I think that train is Diesel.
Well, I'm a fan.
The only freight train to successfully haul such a big load on his first day was yours truly.
Wow!
Impressed?
Totally!
Naturally.
Diesel,
Oh?
Yes?
it's time for your shift.
Okay, Mr. Herb. Later, I have to go.
Yeah.
I'm sure you'll do much better on your next route.
Thanks! Okay, I know I can do better. I'll practice all day.
Titipo is off to the production plant to practice.
So, Teo, how's the ride?
It's nice and smooth. Let's stop at the platform.
Okay, I should start slowing down. I finished the course.
You did a great job.
Hey, Teo, can I practice a bit more?
Of course, as much as you like. I'm ready when you are.
Great!
Titipo practiced the day away and returned to Choo Choo Town at night.
When passengers are on board, keep the ride smooth. Never stop too quickly. Always slow down. Titipo. Oh? Hi, Genie.
What are you doing still up? You have work tomorrow.
Uh-huh. And tomorrow I'm going to be great.
You'll get better and better with time, so don't worry.
Thank you, Genie. I'll go to bed after a few more runs.
Okay, I'm going to go to sleep.
Now, back to practicing.
I'm worried he's wearing himself out.
Don't go fast when going downhill.
Titipo, Titipo,
Ah!
it's almost time for your route. Why aren't you here yet?
Oh, sorry. I'm coming right now. Oh, Mr. Herb, I'm ready to go.
What happened? Did your alarm not go off?
I'm so sorry.
Your passengers are waiting. You'd better hurry.
Okay. Boy, what a bad start to my day. Ugh. It's okay. Think positive and things will be great. Hello, everyone.
Oh, hi, good morning.
Now off we go. Oh, I'm sleepy. Ah!
Hey, kid, you're moving as slowly as a snail.
I'm sorry. I'm must have dozed off. Focus, Titipo. Phew, I made it. Before stopping, slow down. We're at the station! Oh, I stopped too early. I missed my mark. Oh, hold on, please. You can get off now.
Jeez, I almost bumped my head. A little warning would have been nice.
Titipo, Titipo.
Titipo!
Hi, guys.
What's the matter? Did something go wrong?
Yeah, I messed up again.
Again?
It's okay. Every train makes mistakes at first.
Not all trains. Diesel said he was great from the start.
What? This Diesel?
Yeah, he even got compliments from other trains.
Diesel, are you telling your fictional stories again?
No, I'm not.
Titipo, let me tell you what really happened.
I'm ready to go.
All right. Oh my, Diesel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why do you have so many freight cars attached?
This isn't that many.
You're still a rookie, so it's not safe to haul a large load.
Aw, I can handle it, no sweat.
You can't. Since this is your first day, you'll take just 2 cars.
Yes, sir. Jeez, these aren't that many at all. Oh, he went inside. Oh. Nobody's watching, right? Then I'll just sneak off. Wow! The harbor is so cool! Hello, Mr. Craney.
Wow.
I'm the new freight train, Diesel.
First day on the job, huh? Hold on, kid. 1, 2. You're all set.
This is all I get, but I can handle a lot more.
That's what you think, but you'd be wrong.
No, I know I can take on more.
Really? Well, if you insist, alrighty. Loading, loading. Are you happy now? Stay safe on the rails.
Thanks. Goodbye, Mr. Craney.
Goodbye. See ya, kid.
He must be new.
It's dangerous to go so fast with all that cargo.
Oh, why am I so good at everything? Let's see how fast I can go. Woohoo!
So, on his first day, Diesel and all his cargo ended up on the ground. If it weren't for Fix, he would have never made it back to Choo Choo Town.
Really?
That's what happened.
Not nice, Diesel. Why did you make up that whole story the other day?
Well, I was trying. Oh, that's right, Genie. You made mistakes on your first day, too.
What? I don't remember.
Huh? What kind of mistakes?
Diesel!
I'll tell you the story. On Genie's first day, it rained in the morning, so there were big puddles by the tracks. But Genie didn't notice them and got splattered with mud.
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
What's so funny? Oh, Mom, look at that train. It's really dirty.
That's not very nice, son.
What? Did he say I'm dirty? That's really strange. Ah, I'm covered in mud. Oh, I feel yucky. Oh, I wish I could wash.
Genie was so worried about her muddy face that she went through a station without stopping.
Oh, how embarrassing. Oh, this is awful. Oh, where on earth am I?
She even got lost.
Why are we at the ocean right now? Sinkhole?
It was a total disaster.
Oh, Diesel?
You told my story.
Yeah, but I didn't exaggerate everything.
Please, I just told him the truth, that's all.
Not nice.
You're one to talk.
That's enough! You can stop! Thank you, guys!
Huh?
Before, I couldn't imagine you two ever making mistakes. But hearing your stories, I feel much more confident.
Oh? I'm so glad, Titipo.
But you know, if you want to be great like me, you still have a long way to go.
Are you serious? You're impossible, Diesel.
It looks like the other trains used to make mistakes too. Titipo, I'm sure you'll do better tomorrow.